Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Blessed nose and cheeks. It is narrated by Hind bin Abi Hala and Ibn Asakar from Ali Murtada. He said that the blessed nose of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was high. Hind added more. It used to be dominated by light, but if one who did not look carefully, it would seem that the nasal cavity of the Holy Prophet ﷺ had a bulge, but there was no bulge in them. Narrated by Hind bin Hala that the blessed cheeks of Holy Prophet ﷺ was soft. Narrated by Ali Murtada that the blessed cheeks of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was soft and had fair complexion, and the blessed nose was high. It is narrated by Abu Bakr Siddiq that the blessed cheeks of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was white. It is narrated by Abu Huraira that the Holy Prophet's cheeks was white. Jabir and Murtada. Hadrat Abu Huraira said, the jaws of the Prophet, peace and blessings. It is narrated by Ali Murtada that the blessed cheeks of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was soft and had fair complexion, and the blessed nose was high. Narrated by Abu Bakr Siddiq that the blessed cheeks of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was white. It is narrated by Abu Huraira that the Holy Prophet ﷺ's cheeks was white. Narrated by Hind ibn Hala that the nose of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was high, seemed to bow, had luminous bright, for which reasons it looks too high to be high. Nose was cute and thin, on it a distinctive luminosity, seems to be evergreen. The one who does not know, he must inspire from him. History of Damascus. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِي إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.